Hi, my name is James Trumper. I'm a Commis chef at Claridges. I've been working there for 8 months. Previous to that, I studied a CTH qualification at Ashburton Chefs Academy. The content of the CTH qualification was really varied. It packed you full of knowledge that's really prepared you for working in a professional kitchen and actually really makes you an asset for that kitchen. Working at Ashburton, the course was very intensive because it's just over 6 months. The chefs themselves, their passion, their personalities and their support really helped to make the course enjoyable from start to finish. I found it actually really easy to get a job at a restaurant in London as a trained chef particularly. When I walked into Ferrer, I knew that that was somewhere that I wanted to work. Working at Ferrer at Claridges is amazing. Working with amazing chefs, they really push you hard but are there to support you, and you get treated very well considering it's a tough London kitchen. You work with people that are from all over the world, even probably the majority of people in most kitchens are from overseas. We all get on really well. It's like one big family, and I think I've got friends from probably every continent now. My advice to CTH students would be to aim high, because there's a big demand for trained chefs in the industry. The skills that you gain on the course really set you up with a solid foundation in a professional kitchen, but I think it's the knowledge that you gain that really sets you apart from your peers at the entry level. In a nutshell, work hard and get your CTH.